I'm going to start this very casually by introducing the Living Luminizer. Most of you people know what the Living Luminizer is. It is my star product, my hero, and it has done the most amazing job on bringing dewiness and a light reflective glow to the skin. That light reflective glow is what makes you look beautiful. I just want people to know that this product does not go here. It goes on the actual cheekbone itself. It also goes on the tip of the bow here. It gives a nice reflective glow. You can also add it into the middle of the lip so that it really reflects that light, giving the appearance of fuller lips. You can also take a little bit in the corners of the tear ducts here for that little bit of glow. It just adds a very, very, very nice vibrancy to the eye. And then I pop always a little bit right into the center of the lid. I do not go across the whole lid. Think of artwork if you ever went to art school. Just put a little bit just in the center here. And you can see how that just reflects light. That is what makes you look young. When you're all powdered down, sorry, but you look old. Mostly if your skin starts to mature. You want to do as much for your skin as you possibly can without having it look dry. You want it to look young, moist, dewy, and succulent.